here, and yes, I am back and I'm so excited, especially to start off this 13-week series. We're going to be doing a 13-week series of DIY and fashion and thrifting and awesomeness. So I hope you guys are excited, because obviously I'm excited. And it's going to be start now and go until May. We'll have thrift hauls, we'll have mostly DIY tutorials, of course, and we'll end it off with a lookbook in May, and then I'll come back and do a fall winter 2018 series. So I hope you guys are excited. I think this is going to really work well for my life. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, and we're going to get right into this project.
Okay, so I started off with 3 men's button-down shirts, 1 that fit me well and 2 that were way too big. And I also used a child-sized pair of pajama pants for the tie. This top was inspired by a Carolyn Constance top that cost about $395. But I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we make it ourselves. So it only cost us $5. Yes! Okay, first I started off by putting on the fitted shirt and marking right above my elbow with a pin, and I did this on each side. Then I folded the shirt in half with the sleeves one on top of each other and cut straight across where the pins were. Now I'll take my 2 big shirts and cut the back panel off of each. After cutting each into a rectangle, keeping as much of the fabric as possible, I'll double fold one of the long edges and sew it down, leaving enough room for my elastic. Then I'll fold it in half, good side to good side, and sew the short side, leaving the edge open so I can add the elastic later. Now I'll gather the other long side by loosening my thread tension all the way and adjusting the stitch length to the highest setting. Now I'll pin it to the shirt that we cut the sleeves off of and adjust the gathering to be the same width as the sleeve by pulling one end of the thread. Once they match, you can sew them together. Okay, now I'll add the elastic to the end of the sleeve. You can definitely stop right here if you want a bell sleeve. And I really thought about it, but I decided that I wanted all the drama of the puffy sleeve. To do this, I'll cut off a piece of the elastic that loosely fits my wrist and put a small safety pin through it. Then I'll push it through the hem opening until it comes out on the other side. I also add a pin to the other side of the elastic so it doesn't slip through. Then sew down the seam with the elastic going through each side, and your sleeves are done. Now for the tie, I cut 2 inches off the edge of each leg, cutting the end at a slight angle. Then I folded it good side to good side and sewed the long edge and the bottom. Then I flipped it right side out and sewed each one down underneath the collar. Look at us, we're making the stuff that's coming right off the runway. And it wasn't even that hard. If you enjoyed this, definitely join me again next Thursday for more. And subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Okay, see you guys next week. Bye.